Good afternoon, dear students. The last class discussed about to calculate sum of the two matrices. Today discuss about to calculate sum of the three matrices. How to calculate sum of the three matrices? Listen carefully. So what is the given matrices are? Let capital A given matrix is 5, 2, 0, 1 and the given matrix B is equal to 3, 3, 4, 1 and capital C matrix is equal to -1, 2, 7, 6. What they are asking? To calculate 5A minus 2B minus 2C. They are asking to calculate 5A minus 2B minus 2C. Substitute the matrices 5A. 5 into substitute A matrix is 5, 2, 0, 1. Next minus 2B. Minus 2 into substitute B matrix is 3, 3, 4, 1. Next minus 2C. Minus 2 substitute C matrix. Minus 1, 2, 7, 6. So what they are asking to calculate 5A minus 2B minus 2C. Now substituting the given matrix 5 into A substitute A matrix minus 2 into substitute B matrix minus 2C is minus 2 into substitute C matrix. Now simplify the matrices. What is the here? Each element multiplied by 5. Each element multiplying by 5. So 5 5 ja 25. 5 2 ja 10. 5 into 0 0. 5 into 1 is 5. Next. Each element multiplied by 2. So now 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2. Next. Each element multiplied by 2. So now 2 into minus 1 value is minus 2, 2 into 2 value is 4, 2 into 7 value is 14, 2 into 6 is 12. So now we can, what is the given symbol? Into symbol. We can subtract in the corresponding elements. At that time we can do, or else first you have to simplify this two matrix. This matrix right as this. So first you have to simplify this matrix. Subtracting the corresponding element. First element minus first element 25 minus here second element first element is 6. First matrix, what is the second element is 10. Symbol is negative. Second element is 6. Next second row. What second row first element is 0. Second matrix first element is 8. Next. Second row second element is 5. Symbol is negative. Second matrix second element is 2. So now this matrix right as it is. Minus 2, 4, 14, 12. So now simplify this value. 25 minus 6 value is 19. 10 minus 6 value is 4. 0 minus 8 value is minus 8. 5 minus 2 value is 3. Minus this minus 8 as it is minus 2, 4, 14, 12. Now we have to subtract in the these two matrices means you have to subtract in the corresponding elements. First element minus first element. 19 minus of minus 2. Symbol is most important. Here 19 subtracting 19 minus the first element is minus 2. Next second element 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4. Next second row first element. Second row first element is minus 8 minus second row first element is 14. Minus 8 minus 14. Next 3 minus 12. 3 minus 12 is equal to 19 minus of minus is plus 2. 4 minus 4 value is 0. Minus 8 minus 14 minus 22. Now these are the adding. Minus 8 to minus 14 not product. Suppose you are producting minus into minus plus you getting. But here adding. Minus 8 minus 14 value is minus 22. 3 minus 4 value is minus 9. Finally got answer is 5A minus 2B minus 2C is equal to 9 is equal to what is the 19 plus 2 values? 21 0 minus 22 minus 9. So finally got the answer is 5a minus 2b minus 2c is equal to 21, 0, minus 22, minus 9. Like we can do. So how to add in sum of the three matrices means what are the given matrices correct as it is. Next to calculate 5a minus 2b minus 2c. 5 into substitute a matrix minus 2 into substitute b matrix minus 2 into substitute c matrix. Each element multiplying by 5. So each element multiplying by 5. What is the getting matrix? 25, 10, 0, 5 minus this matrix whole matrix multiplied with by 2 that's 5. Each element multiplied by 2. What is the getting matrices? 6, 6, 8, 2 minus each element multiplied by 2. So we will getting matrices is minus 2, 4, 14, 12. So now first you have to simplify the first two matrices. So you have to subtracting the first two matrices means you have to subtracting the corresponding elements means first element minus first element, second element minus second element, third element minus third element, fourth element minus fourth element. You can subtract it. You get the final this matrix is 19, 4 minus 8, 3. This one writing as. After that you have to subtracting the both the matrices means subtracting the corresponding elements. 19 minus 1 minus 2 is plus 2. 90 plus 2 value is 21, 4 minus 4 value is 0, minus 8 minus 14 value is minus 22, 3 minus 12 value is minus 9. You understood how to adding or subtracting the these three matrices. These are everything is same only. Adding or subtracting here only we have to adding the corresponding elements or else we are subtracting the corresponding elements. So if you can direct also possibility. Suppose so I will do in at a time three matrices we can do. Here first element, what is the first element here? 25. Symbol is negative. Second matrix here first element is minus. Symbol is negative. Third matrix what is the first element is minus 2. That is all. Only you are subtracting the corresponding elements. First element minus first element minus first element. Next second element is 10. Symbol is negative. 6 minus 4. Second row first element is 0, minus 8, minus 14. Next, second row second element is 5, negative 2, minus 12 is equal to 25 minus 6 value is 19, minus 1 minus plus 2, 19 plus 2 value is 21, minus 6 minus 12 is minus 10, 10 minus 10 value is 0, minus 8 minus 14 value is minus 22, 5 minus 2 value is 3, 3 minus 12 value is minus 9. So finally you got the same answer. That is your wish. We can do at a time we can subtracting the corresponding elements or else first we have to simplify those two matrices. After what are the getting matrices? After that we have to subtracting those matrices. You understood? It is clear. Next we are going to second problem. So very easy, don't confusion. I am explaining each step by step. If you have any doubt, then you can ask in the WhatsApp group. Okay? Don't fear. Maths was very easy. Any question we have doubt is there, you can ask him. I will explain clearly. So next is second question. A. Capital A is equal to 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2 and B matrix is equal to 1, 0, minus 3, 2 and C matrix is equal to minus 2, 5, 3, 4. Find 2a minus b plus 3c. Or they are asking to calculate 2a minus b plus 3c means we should be adding sum of the three matrices. So first of all, what is the given matrix correct as it is? Capital A is equal to given matrix is 2, 4, 3, 2. This given B matrix is equal to 1, 0, minus 3, 2. And given C matrix is equal to minus 2, 5, 3, 4. What they are asking? To calculate 2a minus b plus 3c. They are asking to calculate 2a minus b 3c. 2a minus b plus 3c. Now substituting the matrix. 2 into substitute a matrix 2 4 3 2. Next to minus b substitute b matrix 1 0 minus 3 2. Next to plus 3c. 3 into c substitute matrix minus 2 5 3 4. Now simplify the all the matrix. Listen question. Each element multiply by 2. So 2 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. And any element is not multiplied by any element. Thus we are writing as this right matrix as it is 1 0 minus 3 2 plus each element multiplied by 3. So 3 into minus 3 is minus 6, 3 5 is 15, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. So now finally we get the three matrices. What they given here? First two matrices. What is the symbol will be there? Negative is there. Now subtracting the two matrices. Now we have to simplify these two matrices. Subtracting the corresponding index. First element minus first element. Here first element is 4, second minus first element is 1. Next, first matrix second element is 8, here is 0. Next, second row first element is 6, symbol is negative. Second row second matrix element is minus 3. Next, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2. What is the symbol here? Positive. This side as it is matrix minus 6, 15, 9. You understood this matrix? What is the symbol will be there? Minus is. That's why subtracting those matrices. Subtracting corresponding elements. 4 minus 1, 8 minus 0, 6 minus 1 minus 3, 4 minus 3. Position only. Here first position element is 4. Here first position element is 1. That's why only subtracting the corresponding element. Here second position element is 8. Here second element position is 0. That's why 8 minus 0. Second row position element is 6 minus here second row first element is minus 2, 6 minus 1 minus 3. Next here second row second element is 4 minus 2 like that. What is the value we are getting? 4 minus 1 value is 3, 8 minus 0 value is 8, 6 minus 1 minus 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3 value is 9, 4 minus 2 value is 2. Symbol is positive. This matrix right as it is minus 6, 15, 9, 1. What is the symbol will be there? Positive symbol means plus symbol means we are adding corresponding elements. We are adding corresponding elements. First element plus first element. 3 plus what is the first one here? Minus 6. Next, second one 8 plus 15. 8 plus 15. The second row first element is 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9. Second row second element is 2 plus 12. 2 plus 12. Now 3 plus into minus 6. 3 minus 6 value is minus 3. That's why minus 3. Plus into minus 6. That is minus 6. 3 minus 6 value is minus 3. 8 plus 15 value is 23. 9 plus 9 value is 18. 2 plus 12 value is 14. Finally, we got the answer is 2a minus b plus 3c is equal to minus 3, 23, 18, 14. So everyone understood how to adding the corresponding given three matrices. So what they are asking, the given three matrices to calculate 2a minus b plus 3c. After substituting the matrices, each element multiplied by 2 this matrix. This matrix each element multiplied by 3. After this, you should what is the symbol is there? Minus 3. So you have to subtract in the corresponding elements. 4 minus 1 is 3. 8 minus 0 value is 8. 6 minus 1 minus 3 is 6 plus 3 value is 9. 4 minus 2 value is 2. This matrix we are writing. What is the symbol is there? Plus 2 together. So you have to add in those matrices means you are adding corresponding elements. 3 minus 6 value is minus 3. 8 plus 15 value is 23. 9 plus 5 value is 18. 2 plus 12 value is 14. Everyone understood how to adding the given three matrices. Everyone understood? It is clear. Next we are going going to third problem. Very very easy, don't confusion. Third question is very very easy. How to adding sum of the three matrix, how to subtract the three matrix, very very easy. Only how to check the symbols, only important. Suppose one symbol is mistake, that value answer should be 1, so they will not giving full marks. Okay, next one is third question. If capital A is equal to, if capital A is equal to 3, 9, 0, minus 5 and capital B matrix is equal to 1, 7, 8, 3. 1, 7, 8, 3. Evaluate or find. Evaluate 3A plus 2B minus 6A. What they are asking, they are given two matrices, A matrix and B matrices, to evaluate 3A plus 2B minus 6A. Observe the question, A matrix is there, B matrix is there, but I matrix is not there. So I is denoted. What is I means? Already in starting only I said here. So I is nothing but identity matrix. I is nothing but identity matrix or unit matrix. What is the definition of the identity matrix? Is where matrix is said to be identity matrix if non-diagonal elements are zeros and diagonal elements are equal to 1. So I is nothing but I is a identity matrix or unique matrix. What is the example I gave? Identity matrix definition is a square matrix is said to be identity matrix. Non-diagonal elements are zeros. Non-diagonal elements are zeros. Diagonal elements are equal to 1. This is called a identity matrix. So now one more example is I is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This one also here. Non-diagonal elements are zeros and diagonal elements are equal to 1. It is called a identity matrix. Now which matrix we are taking? A matrix also they are given 2 by 2 matrix. B matrix also we are given 2 by 2 matrix. I also we can take 2 by 2 matrix. That's why only we have to take this matrix. Now everyone understood? They are not given I value. So I is nothing but identity matrix. A matrix and B matrix, both the matrix they are given out of matrix is 2 by 2. That's why I matrix are taking 2 by 2 matrix. This is not given, you only you can write the matrix. Okay? Now solution, that capital A is equal to 3, 9, 0 minus 5 and B is equal to 1, 7, 8, 3. I is a unit matrix. I is a unit matrix or identity matrix. Identity or unit matrix. I is a identity matrix. Then capital I is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. Because of we are taking only 2 by 2 matrix means they are given A matrix and B matrix, both are the matrix they are given 2 by 2 matrix. That's why I also we are taking 2 by 2 matrix. Suppose we are taking 3 by 3 matrix means whenever adding a possibility, whenever the given matrix all the matrix is same, the adding is possibility. Whenever two matrices are out of matrix different, adding is not possible. That's why both the matrix they are given 2 by 2 matrix. That's why here also we are assuming 2 by 2 matrix. So here value you know, B matrix value you know, I matrix you know, substitute the given matrices. What is the given? What they are asking? Calculate 3A plus 2B minus 6A is equal to 3 into substitute A matrix is 3, 9, 0 minus 5 plus 2 into B matrix is 1, 7, 8, 3 minus 6 I is nothing but identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. Now simplify the all the matrices. Each element multiplied by 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 9 is 27, 3 into 0 is 0, 3 into minus 5 is minus 15. This matrix, each matrix multiplied by 2 means each element multiplied by 2. So 2 into 1 is 2, 2 7 is 14, 2 8 is 16, 2 3 is 9. Minus, now each element multiplied by 6, 6 into 1 is 6, 6 into 0 0, 6 into 0 0, 6 into 1 is 6. First you have to simplify the first two matrices. So what is the symbol there given? Addition means plus. What is there? Plus. We have to add in the both the matrix and also we are adding only corresponding elements. First element plus first element. 9 plus 2. Next. Second element plus second element. 27 plus 4. Second row first element is 0 plus second matrix first element is 16. Next. Second row second element is minus 15 plus second matrix second row second element is 9. This one is right as is minus 6 0 0 6. Now simplify this matrix. 9 plus 2 value is 11. 9 plus 2 value is 11. 27 plus 4 value is 31. 0 plus 16 value is 16. Minus 15 plus 9 value is minus 6. This right matrix as is 6 0 0 6. Next, what is the symbol is there? Negative. So we have to subtract in the those matrices. We have to subtract in the corresponding elements. So you have to subtract in the corresponding elements. First element minus first element. So first element 11 minus here first element is 6. Here second element is 31 minus here second element is 0. 31 minus 0. Second row first element is 16 minus 0. 16 minus 0. Minus 6 minus 6. Minus 6 minus 6. Now simplify this values. 11 minus 6 value is 5. 31 minus 0 is 31. 16 minus 0 value is 16. Minus 6 minus 6 value is minus 12. So finally what the answer is 3a plus 2b minus 6i is equal to 5, 31, 16 minus 12. So everyone understood how to find the 3a plus 2b minus 6i means this is the process. Only here given two matrices, A matrix and B matrices. I matrix they did not given. I is nothing but identity matrix or unit matrix. What is the definition of the identity matrix or unit matrix means? A square matrix is said to be 2 by 2 is nothing but square matrix means number of rows is equal to number of terms. It is nothing but square matrix. That's why a square matrix is said to be identity matrix if non-diagonal segments are zeros and diagonal segments are equal to 1, then it is called identity matrix. A matrix and B matrix both are of matrix are given 2 by 2. That's why identity matrix also we are taking 2 by 2 matrix. So after that all the three matrices substituted in the given question. After simplification finally we get the answer is 5, 31, 16 minus 12. Now everyone understood? It is clear? Next, fourth question. Very easy, don't confusion. I we are assuming that one. I is the identity matrix. Identity matrix is nothing but a square matrix is said to be identity matrix if non-diagonal segments are zeros and diagonal segments are equal to 1. So what is the depending upon the what are the given matrix? A matrix and B matrix are given 2 by 2 matrix. So here also we are taking 2 by 2 matrix. Suppose they are given A matrix and B matrix, they are given 3 by 3 matrix. I also we can take 3 by 3 matrix. Next one, first question. If very important this question, if capital A is equal to if capital A is equal to 2 3 1 minus 1 2 3 1 minus 1 and B matrix B is equal to 0 minus 3 0 minus 3 minus 1 3 0 minus 3 minus 1 3 find a 2 by 2 matrix. Find a 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix X such that capital X such that A minus X is equal to equal to 3b. Read the question carefully. What they are asking? They are given A matrix and B matrix. To calculate, find a 2 by 2 matrix X means to calculate X is a 2 by 2 matrix. You have to calculate. What they are asking? Find a 2 by 2 matrix is X value. You have to calculate. What they are asking? To find the matrix is X is equal to 2 by 2 matrix. You have to calculate. How to find the X matrix means what they are given condition? A minus X is equal to 3b. What they are given? A minus X is equal to 3b. So X take one side, A matrix and B matrix take one side. Listen carefully. Solution. What they are given? That capital A is equal to 2, 3, 1 minus 1 and B is equal to 0, minus 3, minus 1, 3. To calculate X 2 by 2 matrix. What the given condition? A minus X is equal to 3b. The given condition is A minus X is equal to 3b. Only to calculate X matrix. That's why X matrix take right hand side, 3 we have taken left hand side. This taking right hand side, this matrix taking left hand side. We have to get plus 3 to taking left hand side, we get the values minus 3b. Minus X take right hand side, we get the values plus X. We are understood? The given matrix condition is A minus X is equal to 3b. So A minus and A and B are taking one side, X we are taking one side. Y means taking X means to calculate S matrix. Now substitute the matrices. What is the A matrix given? 2, 3, 1 minus 1 minus 3b minus 3 into B matrix 0 minus 3 minus 1 3 is equal to X. This matrix write as it is 2, 3, 1 minus 1 minus each element multiplied by 3. 3 into 0 is 0, 3 into minus 3 is minus 9, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Don't product with the minus 3 into 0, only product with the 3 only. That's why 3 into 0 is 0, 3 into minus 3 is minus 9, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, 3 into 3 is 9. Is equal to X. Is equal to X is equal to. Why is the symbol here? Negative is there. Now subtracting the both the matrix and subtracting the corresponding elements. 2 minus 0. First element minus first element is here. First element is 2. Here first element is 0. The symbol is negative. So first element minus first element. Next. Here second element is 3. Here second element is minus. Middle symbol is negative. 3 minus of minus 9. 3 minus of minus 9. Next, 1 minus of minus 3. 1 minus of minus 3. Second row first element is 1 minus second row first element is minus 3. Next, minus 1 minus 9. Minus 1 minus 9 is equal to 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus of minus is plus 9. 1 minus of minus 3 is plus 3. Minus 1 minus 9. Now simplify this one. 2. 9 plus 3 is 12, 1 plus 3 value is 4, minus 1 minus 9 is minus 10. So now, what is the order of the matrix? How many rows is there? 2 rows. Horizontal arrangement of element, it is called rows. So how many rows is there? 2 rows. Vertical arrangement of elements, it is called columns. 2 rows, 2 columns. We are getting how many rows, how many columns there? 2 by 2 elements, 2 rows, 2 columns. What is the last one finally? Find a 2 by 2 matrix X to calculate X is a 2 by 2 matrix. So finally we got the answer or not? X is a finally we got 2 by 2 matrix. This is a procedure. What they are asking? A matrix given, B matrix given. To calculate X is a 2 by 2 matrix you have to calculate. What is the given condition? A minus X is equal to 3b. A minus X is equal to 3b. To calculate X matrix. That's why X matrix you are taking one side, remaining values you are taking one side. So minus X you are taking right hand side, plus 3b you are taking left hand side. A minus 3b is equal to X. Now substitute the A matrix and B matrices. After substituting the matrices, we will get values 2, 3, 1 minus 1, minus 0, minus 9, minus 3, 9 is equal to x. Symbol is minus. That's why you are subtracting those matrices. Means you are subtracting the corresponding values. 2 minus 0 value is 2. 3 minus 1 minus 9 is plus 9. 3 plus 9 value is 12. 1 minus 1 minus 3. 1 plus 3 value is 4. Minus 1 minus 9 value is minus 10. So x is there definitely. 2 by 2 matrix you are getting or not? Finally you got the answer. X is there. 2 by 2 matrix. Not only they are asking find the 2 by 2 matrix x value to calculate. So finally you get the answer is x is there 2 by 2 matrix. Everyone understood how to find the x matrix? It is clear? No doubt at all. Next we are going to fifth problem. Next is fifth problem is, don't confuse, I am explaining each everything. Fifth question is if capital A is equal to capital A is equal to 9143 and capital B is equal to 15712 find a matrix X, find a matrix X such that 2A plus 5B plus 2x is equal to 0. What they are asking? To calculate X matrix. They are asking to find a matrix X. This to calculate X matrix. What are the condition? 2A plus 5B plus 2x is equal to 0. So X we can take one side, E and B value we can take one side. So what is the solution? So this is the solution. Let capital A is equal to 9143 and B is equal to 15712. What they are asking? To calculate X matrix. So what is the X matrix we are getting? A matrix also out of the 2 by 2 matrix, B also 2 by 2 matrix, so X also 2 by 2 matrix we are getting. Okay? So we are assuming A, B, C, D like that. Okay, now X is equal to A, B, C, D. Finally get 2 by 2 matrix, or else we can only to calculate X matrix. Only to calculate X matrix. What is the condition that given? A plus 5B plus 2x is equal to 0. So what is the given condition? 2A plus 5B plus 2x is equal to 0. X value will take one side. Okay na? So plus 2 is we are taking that side. 2A plus 5B plus 2x taking that side, we are getting minus 2x. X will be 2x. Now substitute the matrix. 2 into, what is the A value? 9, 1, 4, 3 plus 5 into substitute B matrix 1, 5, 7 is equal to minus 2x. Now simplify these two matrices. 2 9s are 18. Each element multiplied by 2 9 18. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. Plus each element multiplied by 5 1 is 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35. 5 4s are 60. Is equal to minus 2x. So now the symbol is positive. That's why we are adding both the matrices and also we are adding corresponding elements. We are adding corresponding elements. First element plus first element. Here first element is 18 plus 5. Next here second element is 2 plus here second element is 25. So 2 plus 25. Next second row first element is 8 plus here second element, second row second element is first element is 5. 8 plus 35. 8 plus 35. Second row, second element is 6 plus second value, second row second element is 60 plus 60 is equal to minus 2x. Simplify this one. 18 plus 5 value is 23. 2 plus 25 value is 27. 8 plus 35 value is 43. 6 plus 60 value is 66 is equal to minus 2x. What they are asking to calculate only x matrix. Only if you want x matrix. What is extra? Minus 2. Minus 10 this side will go to the denominator. So minus 1 by 2, 23, 27, 43, 66 is equal to x matrix. So everyone understood? What they are asking to calculate matrix x. So find the matrix is x. So what is the given condition? 2a plus 5b plus 2x is equal to 0. So x variable taking one side, plus 2x taking that side, minus 2x. Substitute a matrix and b matrix. After simplification, finally get the value is 18 to 86 plus 5, 25, 35, 60 is equal to minus 2x. After we are adding both matrix, we are getting values 23, 27, 43, 66 is equal to minus 2. So what they are asking to calculate only x matrix. But here what is there? Minus 2x. Only if you calculate only x, what is extra? Minus 2. So minus 2 means minus 2 take the left hand side. So minus 2 is the numerator. Numerator will go to the left hand side. Where will go? Denominator will go. That's why minus 2 side left hand side will go to the denominator. That's why we are writing minus 1 by 2. This matrix 23, 22, 27, 43, 66. The final answer is capital X is equal to minus 1 by 2, 23, 27, 43, 66. This is the answer. See, everyone understands how to find x matrix. This is the. So a value you will take one side, x matrix take one side. Okay? Everyone understood? It is clear how to doing this one. I think everyone understood this concept. Okay? If you have any doubts, we can ask in the WhatsApp group. Thank you so much, everyone.